Fun Hay Delivery Express! Let's grow it. Deliver safely. Cluck quick. Wheels check. The farm awakens for another busy day. Arf done. Hop, hop, racing the train.
Squeak, Smart! This brake cable is weak!
The hay train is out of control and heading for the dry fields. If that train reaches the wheat, a single spark could start a fire. Squeak, Smart, the brake is jammed, but I can fix it if I reach the cart. Let's grow it. If sparks fly, this field could burn. Kids Farmyard Friends Runaway Train Rescue in action! Farm fun, full speed save, let's go! Farm fun! Now it's rescue time! The slope ends here. This rope will help slow it.
Squeak, Smart! Brake fix tools locked! Clear the track!
Let's grow it. These will stop any sparks. All teams ready. Execute the stop. Farm Fun Rescue Boost. Go! Hop, hop. Clear the track now. Cluck quick. Train out of control.
Arf! Safe! Move!
Farm Fun Turbo Rescue! Rope secured! Slow it down! Ugh! Squeak Smart on board! Let's grow it! Fire! Stay out!
Wing strong, slow it! Squeak, Smart, almost there!
Farm Fun! Pulling with all I've got! Don't let it reach the wheat! Cluck quick!
Arf! Hold! Brake, Smart! Brake engaged!
We stopped it just in time! Farm Fun disaster dodged.
Farm fun! That was too close!
You handled that tractor perfectly. Squeak Smart brake officially fixed. Let's grow it now. The field is safe now. Hop, hop, hop. Train stopped. Cluck! quick! Danger finished!
The danger has passed.
Farm Fun 5-star rescue! Squeak Smart success confirmed!
Together! Farm strong! Kids Farmyard Friends! Farm strong together!